viewers, and welcome back to the Odoo 18 tutorial series by Cybrosys. Today we are diving into the powerful purchase analysis features in Odoo 18. This tool provides invaluable insights into your purchasing activities, helping you make data-driven decisions and optimize your procurement process. So to access this, you have to first open the purchase module here. So here you have the purchase module. Open it, and then you have to dive into the reporting tab where you can find this purchase. Open it, and here is the purchase analysis. Okay, so the purchase analysis window offers a robust filtering and sorting system. So if you click here you have the option to filter it, you have the option to group it, comparison, as well as the favorites. Okay, so you can filter reports by various criteria such as the date range, and you have the vendor, the product, different categories, and more. Additionally, you can group and sort data to gain deeper insights. Okay, and also the other thing is that this report is basically customizable. So with Odoo's flexible reporting capabilities, you can customize reports to suit your specific needs. So you can, if you just take this pivot table of the very same purchase analysis, you can add or remove columns from here. So I'll show you how to add one. Just choose the required one from the measures. In such a way, you can add columns to this. Okay, you can even remove it by just unselecting it. Okay, so that's how you do it. And also you can modify the layout and apply different filters to get the exact information you need. As you can see, you have different filters here. So based on the exact information which is required for you, you can choose the filter from here. So that's how you deal with the, purchase analysis here. So this is the chart where you can see the purchase analysis of the month October, because here the purchase orders or confirmation date October 2024 is what we filtered for. Okay. So the purchase analysis window provides a variety of visualizing options, including the line chart. So this is the line chart. Here we have the bar chart, and then you have the pie chart. So you can analyze key metrics such as purchase order value, delivery time, and supplier information. Okay, so this is the bar chart. So if you touch on each of these bars, it has been separated and seen, where you can get the untaxed total of different dates. So because that's what I've filtered it for. You can add measures here. If you want to see the total, you can add it. Okay, so here in case of the graphs, what the thing is that you can add only one measure at a time. Okay, but in case of pivot, as I shown you, you can add multiple columns at a time. Okay, so once you've created your desired report, you can easily export it as well. Okay, you can export it into different formats. So you can even insert it into spreadsheet. So the exporting thing, that if you go to pivot table, you can see here, you can flip the axis, expand on, and you can even download the XLSX. Okay, so this allows you to share insights with your team, or integrates the data into other tools as well. So this is the pivot table where you can see the different measures which have been added, and these are the different purchase orders reference numbers. So as I said before, you can add measures from here as well as remove it, and you can even insert this into a spreadsheet. So just by clicking on this, you can add it to an existing spreadsheet or a brand new one. So if you choose this blank spreadsheet and click on confirm, a new spreadsheet is created in the documents. A message will come here. And here is the table which you have inserted into the spreadsheet. So it's that simple to add it into a spreadsheet. Okay, so now I'm going back to the purchase analysis. So that's the pivot table. Now if you go to the graph, here you can see the bar chart, which also shows the purchase analysis of different months, where it shows the total. So if you go to measures and change this total to untaxed total or volume or whatever measure you want, you can choose it from here, and that will be displayed here in the graph. So I'm just choosing the day to receive, or even you can choose the quantity ordered. So all such things can be seen here. So the quantity ordered on 10th October is 120. Similarly, you have 240 quantities ordered on 19th October. So all such things can be taken from here based on your needs. This is the line chart. You've already seen this, and here you have the pie chart. Okay, so this is how you can deal with the purchase analysis in Odoo 18's purchase module. Okay, so by leveraging the powerful purchase analysis feature in Odoo 18, you can optimize your purchasing process, you can reduce your cost and improve overall business performance. So stay tuned for more Odoo tutorials and tips. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.